Alright, showing off the Polaris plow. 4 layers. Alright, go out. 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 Okay. A little bit more. There you go. That was weird. Okay, go in. Stop. Go out just one click. Alright, cool. That's how she works. That's how she works. Pretty cool little setup here, guys. And you pull this little thing here and you can move the plow in like that. Kind of angle it. Yeah, super easy to angle without, you know, having to spend a ton of money. There we go. And the way she hooks up is you just put it on these little deals here, and then right back there, you just kind of lift up on the plow until there's a click. Same thing with disconnecting it. All right, let it all the way out. Keep going. A little bit more. More. All right, stop. Same thing with disconnecting. You just twist that. One sec. Okay, yeah. Okay, add a little more on the winch. Out. A little bit more. Let it just kind of fall off. In on the winch. More. Stop. Okay. That's it, guys. Super easy. Doing it one-handed, it hooks up just as easy. So, all right. Have a good one. Bye.